Carry-on luggage size. Maximum allowances by international airlines. 1. Understanding carry-on luggage. Carry-ons are bags or personal items you can bring on the plane without checking them in. 2. Standard size limit. Most airlines allow a maximum carry-on size of 22 by 14 by 9 inches. 56 by 36 by 23 centimeters, including handles and wheels. 3. Weight restrictions. Some airlines enforce weight limits for carry-on bags, typically ranging from 15 to 22 pounds, 7 to 10 kilograms. 4. Airline variations. Major airlines like American Airlines, Delta, and United generally follow the standard size, but budget airlines may have stricter limits. 5. Low-cost airlines. Airlines like Ryanair, Spirit, and EasyJet often have smaller size allowances or charge for larger carry-on bags. 6. Personal item allowance. In addition to your carry-on, most airlines allow one personal item like a handbag, laptop bag, or backpack, which must fit under the seat. 7. Check airline policies. Always verify the specific size and weight restrictions with your airline before traveling, as policies can change. 8. International flights. Size and weight limits can differ, especially on smaller regional carriers, so double-check if you're flying abroad. 9. Avoid extra fees. Excessing the size or weight limit for carry-on luggage can result in extra fees or having the bag checked at the gate. 10. Expandable luggage. Be cautious. While they add extra packing space, they can push you over the size limit. 11. Tips for maximizing space. Use packing cubes, roll your clothes, and wear bulky items like jackets or boots to save space in your carry-on. 12. Essential items in carry-on. Always pack essentials like travel documents, medications, and electronics in your carry-on in case of lost checked luggage. At Onshore Care, we offer a wide choice of international travel insurance plans. Visit www.onshorecare.com. Get free, no obligation international travel insurance quotes and compare plans.